Hi everyone, welcome to the video lecture series of Theory of Automata and Formal Languages. In my previous lecture we have understood the introduction to regular expression. What do you mean by regular expression? What are the different operators being used? We have understood three operators correctly, and we have understood the basic representation of a regular expression. We have understood some special operators as well. Okay, so I would suggest, if you haven't studied or if you haven't viewed a particular video, then I would suggest that you please revert back and you just look into the video and then you can come over to this, because a little bit of inclusiveness, or you can say a little bit of indulgence of the previous lecture is very important in this session. Okay, so look into this. In this particular lecture we will be looking into how to convert or how to find out a regular expression from a given regular language. Okay, so the language is given to you. We'll be discussing a number of times different type of examples. We'll be covering almost 15 questions. Okay, once we are done with one or two three first three topics, then it will be very much clear how to work on it. Okay, so these, you can say, these three questions, you can say that these are the prototype. You have to remember, or you have to just see the steps how we are going with this particular three questions. Okay, so the first question says that I'm not writing the entire language. The language says that the length is exactly 2 over input alphabet given as A and B. Correct. So if I talk about the language, if I talk about in terms of language, okay, so if you talk about in terms of language, so what will be the number of strings that is being used over here? What will be the possible number of strings that is being used? So let me look into that and I will let you know how to work on this. Okay, so the language will be, now if I talk about exactly 2, that means the length will be length is equals to 2, not more than that, not less than that as well. Okay, now I have already taught you in the in unit number 1 how to find the length of a particular string. So if I have to find the length of a particular string, if you doesn't know how to find the length of a particular string, I would suggest please look into the previous videos, then it will be very much clear. So basically I will just let you know how to find. So the languages will be A will be one, correct, AB will be the other one, then BA will be the other one, and the BB will be the other one. You already know about how to find a language of having length exactly 2. See, so we got this length. Now how to find out the regular expression for this? So basic way of working is that you have to take the union of these particular strings that you have find out, because union means ORing the all the strings, because in this language either this is accepted, either this is accepted, either this is accepted, either this is accepted, and overall all these strings must be accepted in order to satisfy the language of this particular given condition. Correct. So you have to do the union of all these strings. Okay, union of all the strings. This is how we need to proceed. So if we talk about this, then definitely the regular expression will be AA plus AB plus BA plus BB. Correct. Clear. Now if I talk about this equals to, if I take A common from these two part, what will be the answer? A plus B. Correct. Plus if I take B from these two common from these two strings, then what will be the answer? B, if I take common, then it will be A plus B. So you know about mathematics, right? So if I have to take common, then what will be the answer? A plus B into A plus B. Done. So this is what we got, regular expression for length is equals to 2. So now it's very much clear that if you talk about this particular part, okay, this is length 1, this is length 2, correct. Similarly if I talk length is equals to agar 3, exactly 3, then what will be the regular expression? The regular expression will be your this one will be correct, and followed by one more a plus b. So this is what the general format that I have told you to look into. Okay, this will be answer. Okay, and one more a plus b will be the answer. See, this is length is equals to 3. So length is equals to 1 means this one, length is equals to 2 means this one, length is equals to 3 means the entire one. If length is equals to 4, similarly if length is equals to 4, then what will be the answer? We'll be having one more, we'll be having one more expression as like this. Clear? So length is equals to 5. So in this way you can proceed, because see, maximum length will be asked in your questions will be for 4, not more than that. So till 4 you can find out how to find out the length, you can find out the strings for that, and if you merge those, then definitely the answer will be of this format. So this is the preliminary step that I have to show it to you in order to understand how this is working, length is working. Okay, so if I so you understood how to find the length for a regular expression. Okay, now I will be finding out the length for this question. Okay, so it's clear, I think so. So regular expression, exactly length is equals to 2. Now it is asking that length is at least 2 over this one. That means I am having 2 is the minimum length. Apart from that, it can have any number of combination of length, right? So I already know the regular expression. The regular expression for length is equals to 2. So what is the answer? A plus b into a plus b, correct? So this is what length is equals to 2. Now if I want more than that, correct, at least 2 means 2 will be minimum, and apart from minimum we can have a number of 2s, n number of length. So that means if I take one more length, what will be the answer? It will be length is equals to 3. This is possible. If I take one more length, length will be 4. If I take one more, then 5, and so on. So it will be n number of times. So besides writing every time, I can write asterisk. Asterisk means asterisk means clean closure. That means it will be acting as a loop. So this will continue for n number of times. So this is how we have to find out length is at least 2 over this one. So you can first write down this. If you are attempting any kind of university examination, then you can write down this expression, and then you can finally show that regular expression for length is equals to 2 is this one. Therefore length for at least 2, it will be followed by one more step, correct? So now look into the last third one. This is also an you can say a preliminary one. Okay, this is asking that length is at most 2. At most 2 means maximum to maximum I can have a length is equals to 2. So that means what are the possible combination that I am having in the language? I am having one is 0 of length 0, of length 1, and max to max length 2. At most 2 means what? How many times we can have? We can have maximum to maximum length 2, not more than that. That means I can have, what are the possible combinations? I can have epsilon as 1, correct? So I can have epsilon as 1, correct? Epsilon will represent the length equals to 0. Length is equals to 1 means I can have A and I can have B, correct? If length is equals to 2, I already know AA, AB, sorry, BA and BB, correct? So these are the possible strings that can accept for length is actually at most 2. Okay, so if I have to write down the regular expression, I already know about this. So how to find out the regular expression? You have to find out the union of all these strings. So first of all, I have to write down epsilon, correct? So I am just increasing the font so it will be easy to clear, easy to visible. Okay, then I can use union of this. So A, then B, then A, then AB, then BA, then BB. Clear? So this is what about finding out this one. Now if I have to move into an expression like this, so I can also write like this, that is equals to, okay, is equals to epsilon. Okay, I have already told you. I can increase this. Okay, epsilon plus A plus B, and I already know about this. What is this answer? a plus b and a plus b, correct? So this is already known to you. Now if you have to again divide this into two parts, you can divide like this. Epsilon plus a plus b, I can take a common, correct? So if I take a common, then what will be the answer? This one, into, again I can take a common, the same thing. So if you break this, you will be getting the same answer like this. Okay, so this is what all about expression and all. Okay, so you can take this part as common. Then if you take this part as common, definitely epsilon will see. Now the concept, you might be having one more doubt, that what is this all about, because epsilon and epsilon means it's equal to 1. Okay, so it will act as a 1. So 1 plus a plus b into 1 plus a plus b, like this you can think of here, because in using as an expression, regular expression, epsilon treat as a 1, not as a 0. Okay, but yes, its main concept is that epsilon means null, that is empty string. So generally we can think of as a 0, but in considering an expression, we'll be considering this as a 1. Okay, so this is all about the basic preliminary part, where you have understood how to find the length of if the length is exactly 2, if the length is at least 2, if the length is at most 2, correct? So in the next lecture, I will let you know how to find out few more examples. We will look into this, and we will be moving a little bit fast, because this particular thing you have to know it. That's why I have taken a little bit slowly, and I have tried to make you understand with these particular topics. Okay, so hope it is clear to you. We will be looking into the next lecture, where we will be looking few more examples on example conversion of regular expression, a regular language to a regular expression. Okay, so thank you for watching. Keep watching the videos, and if you're having any doubts or suggestion, please suggest me or comment down below in the comment box. Thank you.